Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Slides, a full beginner's guide for 2026. If you're totally new to slides, don't worry, I'll go step by step so you can start creating clean professional presentations right away. So first head over to slides.google.com. Once you're there, click the blank template to start a new presentation. Google Slides saves everything automatically, so you don't have to stress about losing your work. At the top, rename your presentation by clicking the title. You can, call it anything you want. Now let's talk about the interface. On the left, you'll see your slide thumbnails. This is where you organize and reorder slides. The big area in the center is your workspace, and up top you'll find the toolbar. This is where you add text, images, shapes, formatting, and all that good stuff. To add a new slide, click the plus icon. If you want a specific layout, like title and body, two-column section headers, hit the little arrow next to it. For beginners, layouts help keep everything clean without needing to design from scratch. Click inside any text box to type. You can change fonts, colors, and sizes right from the toolbar. Google Slides also includes theme options on the right side. Themes instantly style your entire presentation, which is super helpful if you don't want to worry about design too much. Next, let's add images. Go to Insert, then Image, and choose where to upload from, your computer, Google Drive, or even a direct URL. You can resize images by dragging the corners, rotate them, or double-click to crop. Shapes and icons are also really useful. Go to Insert, then Shape, to add rectangles, circles, arrows, anything you need to build charts or highlight important points. You can adjust fill, colors, borders, and even round the corners. Animations are pretty simple too. Select an element, then click Animate. Choose whether it fades in, flies in, or appears on click. Keep animations subtle so your slides look professional instead of distracting. When you're ready to present, click Present in the top right corner. Use your arrow keys to move through the slides. If you need notes during a presentation, open Presenter View, which shows your speaker notes on your screen while your audience only sees the slides. Sharing is also super easy. Hit the blue Share button, enter an email, and choose whether people can view, comment, or edit. You can also create a link for quick access. So yeah, that's the full beginner's guide to using Google Slides in 2026. Once you understand layouts, images, themes, and presenting, you'll be able to create clean, effective slides in no time. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!